been digging this bed again. Been double digging it down a good ways, but I'll be digging it all the way out to here, you know, about right here. So it'll be even, you know, with what I'm doing over there. That's the row I planted with the green beans, and this row I'm double digging it for one reason, and well, two reasons actually. I want it to be a deep bed with loose soil so that the root crops that grow that need to be able to go down into the soil will be able to do that without hitting hard pan type soil. And another reason is the Johnsongrass. Of course, on this bed you can see all that big grass, tall grass. That stuff will actually grow about 6 feet tall. You don't want that in your gardens. I don't want it in my gardens. So double digging that, I'm able to actually get all those roots out. And let me show you. Of course, there's what I've been using to dig. This is my fork and my gloves. And you can see some of those roots, like right there. That's some of those roots. And I've been going through this soil thoroughly, the best I can, to get all those roots out. And I've been throwing them back here along this trail, but you can see them. See all these roots that I've just thrown back here? They'll dry up and they'll die. They're just laying on top. But I've just been pitching them in here, and a lot of roots. A lot of roots. But I'll have this one done. I was hoping to have it done today. The reason I wanted it done today was so that I could actually rake it back out, put some seeds in the ground, and have this one done. I know it don't look like it right now, but this is the one that had been freshly dug, and I had gotten all the, you know, the Johnsongrass roots as far as I knew out of this row, and I planted my green beans in this one. They haven't popped up yet because it hadn't been long enough for them to germinate and pop up. But I'm gonna keep working until I have everything in my garden planted. And I tell you what, this is some healthy soil. I've been finding all kinds of stuff in this soil, like worms. You wouldn't believe the worms. And I found some old iron pieces. Let me see if I can find those. I threw them up here. So, get out of the way, Johnsongrass. I don't know what this thing is. It's kind of curved, so it might be part of a horseshoe, maybe. I don't know. And then these are some old nails or something. I'm not quite sure what they are yet. I'll clean them up, maybe, see what they are. But you never know what you're going to find when you're digging around in your yard. Oh, there's another one. Yeah, I didn't see that one because it was so thin. Oh, there's another piece. So it's heavy. It's a piece of metal right there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 7. I thought I had more than that. Oh well, it's laying around here somewhere. I'll find it. And broken glass. I mean, just tons of old broken glass pieces, parts of old jars, things like that. Different odds and ends like this right here, like different tile pieces from broken plates. I'm beginning to think that my backyard was used as a landfill at one point in time. Well, if you think about it, back in time, you know, before there was such a thing as a landfill, or before there was such a thing as the trash man that would come around and pick up your trash can, right? Before that, what did people do? They took stuff out behind their house and they burned it, or they buried it and dumped it, right? Or they just put it out there in a pile, right? And over time, it became just part of the landscape, part of the yard. You know, eventually they would get it to a point to where it was actually just part of the yard. And that's what I'm finding. I'm finding bits of pieces here and there, like little metal pieces, old pottery pieces, broken glass, you know, different things like that. So, all right, here comes Inspector Max. So I got smart and I brought out a little bit of food for Max so that Max would sit over there and eat and leave me alone so I could actually make a video without Max interfering. Ain't that right, Max? Yeah. Oh, look. There's another piece of old, another weird piece of old broken glass. I don't know what that is. It's really thin. Get it, Max. What, you want a piece of glass? Here, rub your nose on it. Yeah. All right. Anyway, I just take the old pieces of glass and throw them back in the field back there. The field, I'm sure, is just full of old pieces of broken stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna get busy. I got some digging to do. See, this part here was just full of Johnsongrass, just like that. Actually, it looked more like this. It looked more like that, so the rains helped me to identify exactly where the Johnsongrass is growing. And that makes it easy for me to go in and dig it up and get the roots out. So you can see how it all popped up right through here, you know, in different spots, different areas. But man, it's just all out in here. But then there are some areas where you just don't see it through here. Well, there you do, but for the most part, I can go ahead and double dig a lot of that and start working on those areas. Crazy cat. So that's where I'm at right now, fighting the Johnsongrass and annoying crazy cat. I love Max so much, and Max loves me. Oh well, ain't that right, Max? Ugh. Okay. All right, I need to get back busy. I need to dig some dirt. So I was hoping to have. It took me a while to do all that. That had a lot of roots in it, but I'm afraid that even though I'm not seeing it, I'm afraid I'm going to have a lot of roots in here. So I'm gonna see if I can get it dug up to here. I don't know. It takes time. But if I don't finish today, I'll come back out here tomorrow and work on it tomorrow. All right. Wish me luck in my gardens.